These Hogue rubber mats are super useful when you're taking apart equipment or tools. By taking apart things on top of these mats, that have these ridges and areas for parts to fall into, they have less tendency to bounce onto the floor. So if they were to hit a hard surface, even like this counter, then they might bounce. When they hit these rubber surfaces, they have a tendency to lose their energy into the rubber and bounce much less actively. And when they do, they tend to hit the sides of these shapes and get stuck in the material. So these mats are great for when you're moving something around. It doesn't, if you're taking a piece apart, the parts don't get scraped or scratched, and you tend to lose less springs or screws, ball bearings, and small parts. I really like these mats. They're flexible, they're easy to store, and you can just leave them in place. They're resistant to pretty much everything, chemicals and solvents, and even if they get a lot of paint or glues on them, a lot of times you just let it dry and then kind of bend the rubber out of the way, and you can kind of peel them clean. So they're easy to keep clean, and they're super rugged and durable. Hope this helps.